Windows Adventures. Sorry guys for the video quality, I could not find a good screen recording program. Good afternoon everybody, Colin here at theappreviews.com. Sorry if I sound a little different, I have a bit of a cold. And also the video quality, I tried two different screen recording programs and I can't get any of them to work. One of them works, but it doesn't do the whole screen, and that one I can't get to record at all. But as you can see, my computer looks a bit different because this is Windows 7, to be exact. Running on my Mac Pro using Bootcamp. And I just wanted to do a little bit of a review on Windows, and also if this works actually, which is cannot install programs. And I'm trying to install Movie Maker. And of course, you know, good start to Windows, it doesn't want to work, but yeah, so you can see down there, I got some gadgets, as they call them, not widgets, gadgets. I have the activity monitor right here, which can change sizes, CPU usage, and RAM usage. My RAM is at 31%, my CPU is at 22%, because I'm installing that program. And then I have the clock right there. And actually how you use this is you select a boot drive. You can select it to start in Mac OS X, or you can set it to start automatically at Windows. Those are the two easiest ways to do that, or you can use a wired keyboard and hold down Option at startup, and it'll ask you if you want what drive you want to start into. But as you can see down here, if you click the little up arrow, you have this diamond, and that is the Boot Camp menu. You have Restart in OS X, and then the Boot Camp control panel. And right here is you can select what disk you want, I have it selected as Windows because I'm gonna try to use Windows again for a while. Not that I don't like Mac OS X, I'll still use that, but I'm just gonna try out Windows for a while. I got it installed. I paid $120 for the copy of Windows, so might as well use it. So I just want to see what things I can do in Windows, and I have some of my old games in here that I had on my old computer. So I'm just going to try to get the programs I had on my Mac, but I'll use my Mac still too, obviously. And this is once again running on my Mac Pro. So you have the Macintosh HD and the Bootcamp drive right there. You also select that in your Mac operating system too. You have to select it. That you have the use F1 and F2 and F3 and etc. keys as the F1 and not the volume and brightness and stuff like that. Excuse me. So these are some, like a Mac menu kind of right here. You have three different options for the Mac, the startup disk, and the keyboard options with that. And then restart automatically after a power failure. So you kind of get some of those options from the Mac. As you can see, if I close that and reopen it, it always asks if you want to open it for some reason. I don't really know why. But I find it easier, since the Mac boots up so fast, to just start up Windows and then restart into OS X if you want to do that, if I want to use that. But a couple of things about Windows that haven't changed, whether running on a Mac or an actual Windows computer, is the fact that things lag. Like, they're not like the Mac. Like, yes, that opened fast, but when I go to do something, sometimes things, like here, let's just type in Apple. Things are, it's probably not going to do it right now, but things are still a little bit, it's working fine now, but it has its moments when things just don't want to do things when you click on them like they will on a Mac. Like, you click on something in a Mac and they open right up. Let me try to open, I'm going to open Windows Media Center. Do you want to add a desktop gadget? No. You got your extras. I don't really know what these are, but see, things just aren't as, they just don't work like they do on the Mac. Even though it's running on a Mac computer, I do have, I have the problems with it, and see, it's things like that, like, watch when when I open this, it doesn't open, like the whole window doesn't just poof up nice and fluently and smooth. It just kind of flickers up. That's one thing I think they need to change. See, when I click on something, they all just kind of boop 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 and pop up. I can't access this drive for some reason, which is the second drive on my Mac. Here's all the see all the different things in my Mac, on the Mac partition. This is the Bootcamp partition right here. 130 gigabytes out of 159 free. I need to delete some things. I have a lot of stuff on there that I don't need anymore. But I made it a 159 gigabyte hard drive. I think I did 160, but it says 159. But for some reason, this Microsoft SkyDrive just popped up, so let's go ahead and try to open that. And it's not installing those programs. I don't know. See, that's another thing. Oh, another thing that annoys me. Sorry, it's kind of like a rambly, random video. This is one of the things that annoys me. It's one of the things I find weird. But this is my Bluetooth mouse, and if we go to properties, oh no, it's not going to do it, really. Apple, okay, that's the Apple wireless mouse. And then it has this HID compliant mouse, which I don't know what that is, because I don't have any other mouse plugged up, but it says manufacturer Microsoft, location on Apple wireless mouse, and this is the Apple wireless mouse right here. It says on Microsoft Bluetooth emulator. So I don't really get that. We have Microsoft SkyDrive. I'll do a video on that too. I'm gonna do some Windows videos, so you can get your fanboyishness of me being an Apple fanboy out of your system. Let's see if we can find a solution. This is what annoys me. Restart your computer. That pops up every 5 minutes. Remind me in 4 hours. That pops up every 300 minutes. Not every 300 minutes. Every 300 seconds. Now I have some other programs like Live Messenger and Live Mail. Sorry, I'm drifting with the camera there. Those weren't there before. We have Media Center, Media Player. That was there. Let's go ahead and open Mail. But I'm going to pause the video, I'll set up Mail, and I'm going to try to find another thing of Windows Movie Maker, because I'm going to actually try to edit this video on Windows. I just wanted to catch something real quick while I was checking through my email. Look, it lagged right there. I was deleting some emails. I hit delete and it didn't want to do it. For like at least 3 seconds I had time to start the camera, so there's one more thing. And if anybody can tell me what this means, I open up my mail and now it's gonna do something. I didn't do that before, okay. I get this message. I need some .NET framework version 4.0.30319. If I just close that, everything still works fine. So I don't know exactly what that means, but there's one more thing. Well, it told me a few minutes ago I successfully installed Windows Movie Maker, but I didn't. It never came up, so I guess we will have to edit this on my Mac, because it works. So all the stuff you just heard is my opinion of Windows. Thank you for watching. I'm Colin with Apple Reviews, and we will return to regular videos later this week with reviews and everything, instead of me ranting about Windows. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tech videos and reviews.